Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to download the latest version of Java JDK. As of today, the version 18 is the latest version of Java JDK. So first of all, open your web browser and search Java JDK. Now open the first link, which is by oracle.com. This is the official website of for Java development kit. So now, as you can see, the Java 18 is the latest one, and Java 17 is the previous one. So for this video, we will be downloading the Java 18, and so this tutorial is for the Windows operating system. So now I will be opening this option, and as you can see, there are three download links available here. So I will choose the installer file, the last one, 64 MSI installer. This is compatible for my system. So now click the link. It will start the downloading of Java JDK. So it's gonna take some time because my internet is a bit slow. As you can see, the download is completed. Now, now I will run this installer for installation of JDK. So first of all, as you can see, the installer package is open. Now just follow this step. It's basic and simple. Next, and it will be installed in the default directory which is given by Java itself, that is program files. So I want to go with the default setting. I'm not going to change anything here. So the next, so it's going to take some time to install the JDK. Now click yes. Okay, so as you can see, the JDK installation has been completed. Now after the installation of JDK, it is necessary to add the path variable into environmental variables, because it will, if you don't add these path variables into environmental variable, it will the Java JDK will not work into your system. So first of all, open the C drive and program files. Here you are going to access the Java JDK. This is the installed file we have downloaded and installed. Now open this bin file and copy the link above. Now search for environmental variable. Okay, so this is the environment variables. Now choose this option, environment variables. We have to add the bin file link into the path. So in this here, the system variables, the variable path, we have to add JDK bin link. So click on the edit option. Now you can add a new link by clicking the new and paste here the JDK bin folder link, and that's it. So the bin file has been added here of Java JDK. Now click OK. Now one more thing, after adding the path variable, now you have to create a new variable, system variable, which will be Java home for JDK folder. So I have Now creating the new, so click here for the new system variable. Now the variable name should be java underscore home. Make sure to write same as it is, and here we are going to paste the same link, but we are going to remove the bin and the slash. That's all. This is the our JDK location, and okay, and now you can click OK. Now close this as well. So now we have completely installed Java JDK in into our system. To check whether it is working or not, so we can check from command cmd. Now type here java hyphen version. So as you can see, this is showing me the Java version which is we just now installed into our system. That is the latest version of Java, and this means the Java JDK is now working in our system. So that's all for today, and I hope you like the video, and I hope this video is helpful for you. So kindly subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.